Magkalingaw. Magkalingaw o magkagool? Magkagool.
1K.
But if you will bring your dad there, then he will dance. It will be viral. We will be earning like $100. That's a good thing already. 4 tickets for 1,000?
No. Oh yeah.
4 tickets for 400?
Yeah.
So meaning $100 each?
Yeah.
Not true.
The total for four tickets is 1,600.
See that? That's wrong.
So if it's 3 tickets, it's 1,200. Let's go.
No.
Let's go. I've been a fan for like 9 years.
Okay, but you only this year.
Yeah.
No.
No, only this year.
Yes, I know. Only this year.
Yes.
Only this year.
Because of you guys, that's why.
I even have a notebook for BTS. See, so
What can you say? You're not saying anything.
Ask Kuya.
What is
He
this
has a
backlash? What is
He has
this
a merch.
backlash? Y'all are gaslighting.
Ask Kuya to pay for you.
No money.
No, you ask BTS to give you free ticket.
Yeah.
I said that to Chris Brown. They didn't reply to me.
Who?
I said that on my story. Chris Brown.
What?
Chris Brown is already passed.
Okay, just watch it on the TV, Naki. Wait for a few days and then you
I
can
only watched last night.
Oh, you watched us there already?
No, his dad said the worth 1,000. We're gonna buy a big TV.
Yeah, we can buy 4 TV. That TV is only 200.
but it's not this.
every corner we're gonna put the TV
Oh my
there
god.
Nah, you're funny.
for 1,000.
Yeah. But if you can find like $50 each, that's already okay.
Nah, even 100's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, 100. Let's wait for 100 each.
Yes. Maybe
later.
maybe open gate sa Mayabon. Open gate.
Yeah, ganyan man sila pag ano, wala nang diba? Pag may space pa, pag wala nang ano. Yeah. Yung iba siguro nandun lang.
This is the last one before it's sold out.
Ayun, pwede no? Non-stop ba? Pero blessing din natin mo.
1,000 for the 4 of you. 300.
Sabi ko 400, palit yung bugas. Wala sako.
My friend.
Bugas ang 400.
And she's watching tomorrow also.
Really?
Yeah. She got that ticket for 100. But from her friend. So,
That's for tomorrow?
no, right now, my friend got like one ticket for 100. Yeah. Kay, like, galing sa your friend.
Okay. Ano ba?
She's not like, she was supposed to sell it for like 500.
And then,
She sell it for like 100.
100 only.
Yeah.
Mga Pilipino ba kuno?
Korean ha, Korean. Korean singer.
Korean.
Wala tawa na yung Pilipino. Ang Pilipino din na ato. Dili na ato. Natawas ko ah.
Daddy, sing.
Sing. One. Laki. Swam, laki. Oh, lagi. Sasakyan pa pag nagdadrive ako, yun ang kinakanta ko. Kaya sabi niya, marunong na ako kumakanta swam. Swam. Laki, you like it?
Huh?
Swam?
I don't know what you're saying.
Oh, sing again, di ba? Ulit.
Ayaw.
Swam.
Hi, boys.